What's the meaning of animistic? Animistic. 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 Animistic.
Animistic refers to the belief that everything in nature, including animals, plants, and inanimate objects, has a soul or spirit. This worldview is often associated with indigenous cultures and religions, and is characterized by a deep respect for the natural world and its interconnectedness. An animistic perspective sees the world as alive and imbued with spiritual energy, and seeks to live in harmony with nature rather than dominate it. Overall, animism emphasizes the importance of treating all living beings with reverence and respect.